How to unbox and set up the Poly Studio E60. The Poly Studio E60 is a smart MPTZ camera with 12 times optical zoom and presenter tracking. Inside the box you will find the Poly Studio E60 camera, privacy cover, USB 3.0 Type B to Type A cable, power over Ethernet cable, wall mounting bracket kit, and the Poly remote control. Setting up your Poly Studio E60 is quick and easy. To power your Poly Studio E60, connect the network cable from the Power over Ethernet Plus port to an Ethernet port. If you do not have Power over Ethernet, you also have the option to separately purchase an AC power adapter. If you are using a power adapter, connect it to a power source from the 12-volt DC port on the rear panel. When the Poly Studio E60 initializes, the head rotates to face the room. The power indicator LED glows solid white and the standby LED glows solid orange. When the camera stops moving, initialization is complete. Once the Poly Studio E60 is powered on, you can connect the device to your Poly OS or PC-based video system via USB. First, connect the USB 3.0 Type B end of the USB cable to the matching port on the rear panel of the Poly Studio E60. Then connect the Type A end of the cable to either your PC or Poly OS video system. If using with a video system, refer to the instructions for that system. Then, follow the instructions for your mounting kit. While the Poly Studio E60 camera comes standard with a wall mounting bracket kit, other options are available to purchase separately. Your device is now ready for use. If you need to further configure and customize your Poly Studio E60, check out our other support resources for your specific needs. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.